MacBook SE is coming, but what in the world is a BEEZL? This mysterious component is the talk of the tech world, and it could completely redefine what you expect from Apple's budget-friendly laptop. We're diving deep into the secrets of BEEZL and uncovering how it will impact the MacBook SE's performance, battery life, and even its design. The MacBook SE's big secret, the BEEZL. So, why is everyone talking about this mysterious BEEZL? Well, the MacBook SE is rumored to be Apple's next big move in the affordable laptop space, and it's positioned to shake things up. If you're interested in future Apple tech, understanding BEEZL is honestly pretty crucial. Unpacking the BEEZL buzz, let's take a closer look at those early leaks and whispers about what the BEEZL actually does. There are two leading theories right now. One is that it's some kind of advanced haptic feedback system, and the other is that it's a new display technology. Oh, and let's not forget Apple's love for cryptic component names. BEEZL definitely fits that pattern, don't you think? Alright, so let's dive into performance implications. Speed, power, and battery life. Imagine if a haptic BEEZL could totally revolutionize user interaction and productivity. I mean, just think about the possibilities. And then there's the potential of a display BEEZL for like unprecedented visual fidelity and power efficiency. That's huge. But all of this would definitely require a serious look at the chip architecture needed to integrate such a complex component. It's fascinating to consider how all these elements could come together. Now, let's talk about the design revolution. Thinner, lighter, and way more immersive. The BEEZL could have a massive impact on the physical form factor of the MacBook SE. We're talking about real changes here. Plus, there could be some pretty cool material innovations driven by the BEEZL's integration. And honestly, it's exciting to explore the new immersive experiences and use cases the BEEZL might enable. The future could look very different thanks to this tech. So, looking ahead, let's speculate a bit on how the BEEZL could eventually trickle down to other Mac lines like the Pro or the Air. That would be wild. And, when we discuss the competitive landscape, it's clear Apple is really pushing boundaries with this innovation. It makes you wonder, is BEEZL the next big thing, or is it just a clever marketing term for something we've actually seen before? Only time will tell.